Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TikTok Shop earnings to a US bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your TikTok Shop earnings to a US bank, first, log into your TikTok account. Navigate to your profile by tapping the Me icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings. Select TikTok Shop from the menu options. Once in the TikTok Shop dashboard, locate the earnings section. Here, you will see your available balance. Next, click on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Input your bank account number and the routing number accurately. Double-check the information to ensure it is correct. After entering your bank details, confirm your withdrawal amount. Keep in mind that TikTok may have a minimum withdrawal limit. If your balance meets the requirement, proceed by clicking Confirm to finalize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message that your withdrawal request has been submitted. The processing time may vary, typically taking a few business days. Monitor your bank account to see when the funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the TikTok Shop support page for assistance. Make sure to keep your account information secure during this process. Regularly check your TikTok Shop earnings to stay updated on your financial status. Following these steps should successfully guide you in withdrawing your earnings to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.